Welcome to the Elephant Seal Vista Point at Piedras Blancas. This incredible location along California's Highway 1 is home to one of the largest elephant seal rookeries on the West Coast. These fascinating marine mammals were once hunted nearly to extinction in the 1800s, but thanks to conservation efforts, their population has rebounded, and now thousands of them gather here year-round. This rookery offers a rare opportunity to observe elephant seals in their natural habitat, whether it's massive bulls battling for dominance, mothers nursing their pups, or seals molting as they shed their old skin and fur. The best times to visit are during the birthing and breeding season, December to March, and the molting season, April to August, though you'll find seals here no matter when you come. Getting here is easy. The Elephant Seal Vista Point is located about 4.5 miles north of San Simeon along Highway 1, near Piedras Blancas Light Station. If you're coming from Los Angeles, take US 101 north to Highway 1 north, enjoying the scenic coastal drive, about 4.5 to 5 hours. From San Francisco, take US 101 south to CA 46 west, then head north on Highway 1, about 3.5 to 4 hours. If you're in Pismo Beach, it's just a 1-hour drive north along this stunning coastline. Parking is free, and the viewing area is easily accessible with boardwalks and viewing platforms for an up-close look at these incredible creatures. Join me on this walking tour as we explore the Elephant Seal Vista Point, learn more about these fascinating animals, and take in the breathtaking coastal views. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour of the Elephant Seal Vista Point at Piedras Blancas. I hope you enjoyed seeing these incredible creatures and learning about their history. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures along the California coast. Your support means so much. See you in the next one.